Woo-wee. What's good, YouTube? Ethan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update all of your lights on your Mustang to LEDs. Let's get to it. So why would you want to update your lights to LEDs? Well, first off, they're brighter. So if you're in like fog or a place that's really dark, someone can see you and you have a less chance of getting your car destroyed. Second off, it's just for your headlights and fog lights, at least they're so much brighter and it'll make your life so much easier if you do drive in darker areas. Now, most people would buy LED bulbs from your local auto parts store, but if you want to get them for a lot cheaper and they last about the same, if not longer, I would get them off of Amazon. That's where I get all of mine. And the main thing is, most of the smaller lights, not like the headlights or fog lights, you can buy in bulk of like 10 for like, I've seen them from like 8 to like 15 bucks. So that's a really good deal, because most just normal halogen bulbs are like 2 for 8 bucks or whatever, I don't know. So starting for your headlights, not these ones, but your stock ones, if you have the stock ones, they will be 9008 or H13. The average price on Amazon for those are like $30. And for your driving lights or fog lights, they are the 9145s or the H10s. The average on those are about 20 bucks. Now for your front turn signals, they have 2 bulbs in there. Your parking lights, which are the 2825s, average price for those are $12. And then the turn signal parts are the 3157s, and the average for those are $13. For your stock side marker lights, that is the 194, average are $8 for average are $8. I have these aftermarket ones, which are, it's like a full LED strip, and I got them for 45 bucks. They're smoked, and when you turn them on, it's like a whole strip instead of just being the one bulb. Because if you do replace this with just a LED bulb, you'll see like right here, I think is where the bulb would normally be on the normal side marker. You would just see like a dot, and then it would light up the whole thing, but you'd mainly see the dot. This one, you see LEDs all the way, so that's the main reason why I got them. And then your stock taillights are the same as your turn signal in the front. They are the 3157. You'll need 6 of them because there's 3 in each taillight. On your stock ones, at least. These ones are the aftermarket Raxium ones. It's a fully enclosed housing, so I don't got to worry about switching any of the bulbs out. But if one of the bulbs does go out, then that's when I would have to replace the whole light or send it back and see if they could fix it for me. So the car is pretty dirty right now. I haven't washed it. It's been raining a lot. I haven't washed it. If you do go with the aftermarket side markers, I'd also recommend going with a aftermarket third brake light. I forgot how much this was, but it's full LED, it's smoked, and it looks good. The LEDs on the interior I would recommend very much. Easy to install, and it just makes your life a lot easier. Say you drop something at night and you're trying to find it, turn your light on, you can see everything inside the interior of your car. Anyways, that's it. To do your whole car, it'd probably be like $83 or so, or like $120 if you do decide to get the aftermarket side markers, and then probably a little bit more, I don't know, maybe $20 more for the third brake light if you decide to do that as well. I'll add all the prices, and I'll add all the links to everything in the description, of course. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Peace.
Techniques, so analyze me, surprise me, but can't magnetize me. Scanning while you're planning ways to sabotage me. I'll leave them froze like heroin in your nose. Nas, I rock well, it ain't hard to tell.